Got that.
Not the first time that's happened.
What happened?
Oh, it's just the car backfiring trying to start.
Oh, okay.
We do a lot of tuning and this one's just not firing right.
Oh, okay.
That's a backfire?
Yeah.
Probably about to have to get active.
This car specifically, I got that one. That one doesn't backfire like that at all. This one, every time. Do it again.
Holy shit.
It's a rotary engine, so it's not a normal engine, but this one I've had for probably 12 years, and it's really rough. The engine's really rough, so we're not getting cold starts, we're not getting any of that sort of stuff. But like, the other ones we have are twice as powerful as this car, but new, so they start much easier.
What's the horsepower?
This one's 1,000, and so yeah, last time I had it was 990 and change. Yeah. If you got a second, if you got a second, check this out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so this is the bigger version of that one. I raced, Ken Block? Yeah, I raced Ken Block last month.